Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Alice, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the small disadvantaged business. What is a small disadvantaged business? A small disadvantaged business, or what is called a SDB, is a small business that is at least 51% owned by one or more individuals who are both socially and economically disadvantaged. SDB status makes a company eligible for bidding and contracting benefit programs involved with federal procurement. Businesses must be certified by the Small Business Administration to qualify for SDB status. What are the small disadvantaged business criteria? You may register your business as a small disadvantaged business if you meet the following criteria. The firm must be 51% or more owned and controlled by one or more disadvantaged persons. The disadvantaged person or persons must be socially disadvantaged and economically disadvantaged. And finally, the firm must be small, according to SBA's size standards. What defines a disadvantaged persons? The SBA defines socially disadvantaged groups or persons as those who have been, historically, subjected to racial or ethnic prejudice or cultural bias within the larger American culture. Identified groups include African Americans, Asian Pacific Americans, Hispanic Americans, Native Americans, and Subcontinent Asian Americans. Members of other groups may qualify if they can satisfactorily demonstrate that they meet established criteria. A small disadvantaged business must complete the following steps to register as a federal contractor. Step 1. Obtain a DUNS number. You will need to obtain a Dun & Bradstreet number. This is a unique 9-digit identification number for each physical location of your business. The assignment of a DUNS number is free for all businesses required to register with the federal government for contracts or grants. Step 2. Register your business with SAM. You need to register your business with the federal government's System of Awards Management, called SAM. Step 3. Find the NAICS codes for your company, North American Industry Classification System code for administrative, contracting and tax purposes. And finally, Step 4. Obtain past performance evaluations. Businesses interested in getting on the U.S. General Services Administration schedule for contracts should obtain an Open Ratings past performance evaluation. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the small disadvantaged business. Please visit the webpage for more information. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.